matimore Machakos. Sani nitie wach matimore Milimani Primary School kama jagoro mar KUPPET Achiel Misori loso kod jofwambo kotenore kod masira manokelo nek mano mar jopuonjre mag jopuonj. Wawinyane kako loso sani.
To walk through this period, principal, especially yourself, because this place will be busy. Thank you. Karibu sana, principal.
Thank you so much, the KUPPET officials, for finding time to come and condole with us. We don't take it for granted. As we said, this is the saddest moment for the school. Continue praying with us. The journey has just begun, and we are praying that we are going to walk this journey together until we give our colleagues a ceremonial burial. And even after the burial, we also see how we can take care of the children who have been left behind. Teacher Faith had 4 children, and Teacher Jacob was planning to do a wedding end of this year. So these are young teachers who are vibrant, and let's continue praying for even their families, so that God can give the families and even the learners, the teachers, peace that surpasses all human understanding, comfort them, and even to give them the strength to endure the pain. Otherwise, thank you so much once again for coming, and God bless you. Somebody to finish with a word of prayer.
Before we pray, madam, there is one bringing food to the land.
I can do that for you, principal. I think there are a number of vehicles which have blocked the road. Is that what you're saying?
There's a van that is bringing food.
Oh, okay, and food is coming in. So there's KDJ 445U, there's KDT 373K, there's KDR 5702 Z, and then there is KCZ 002H. These vehicles have blocked the van that is. Thank you very much. That's why it was here. Otherwise, we rise up for a word of prayer. This time.
Ramogi mano Achiel